having lunch at Green Corner Mediterranean Cuisine. It has a good review. Let's check it out, and the food is good. It's in good price, huh? And has a review. You are having this?
This is Al Sham chicken sandwich. This is their sandwich. That's it.
Yummy.